What's up, jumpers? Dave Hunt here from Crossrope, and today I'm bringing you another installment of the tutorial videos to help you improve your jump rope skills. Today I'm going to be demonstrating for you the tips I use to learn the side-to-side and the front-to-back jump. Now, the benefits of this are, one, that you use the same upper body technique as you use when you're doing the basic jump, so it's a really easy skill to add to your repertoire, even as a beginner. In addition, this is great for improving your quickness, your agility, your balance, and really just kind of mixing up your jump rope training to make sure that it stays fun and builds your confidence. If you haven't had a chance yet, please take a look, first link below, to our jump rope fitness community. We've got 50,000 people now in this community, all using the jump rope to have fun getting fit. And for this demonstration, I'm going to be using the 1/2 pound infinity rope. If you've watched any of the previous tutorial videos, I almost always recommend using a heavier rope at first when you learn a skill, because it's easier to feel where the rope is. And you can check out this rope in the second link below. So let's get started. Whenever I teach someone a new skill, I almost always start without the rope in hand. Because if you can master the proper technique without the rope first, it makes it easier on that transition to jumping with the rope. Anytime I'm teaching a new skill, I always recommend trying the basic movement without the rope. So we're going to get into the proper posture with your feet together, or at least less than shoulder width apart. You're going to have your shoulder blades and your elbows pulled back so that your hands are in line with the plane of your body and somewhere 8 to 12 inches from your hips. So right about here. And then I want you to get into the side-to-side bounding motion. You can kind of pick a center line below your feet that may help you stay oriented when you're bounding back and forth. So nice and easy, just to get that consistent back and forth rhythm that's going to be the same thing you're going to bring with you when you actually pick up the rope. Now, front and back, as you might guess, the only difference is that you're going back and forth instead of side to side. So same posture and position. Get comfortable with those, and then go ahead and pick up the rope. I found the easiest way to start out with this skill is just to go into 5 to 10 basic jumps in place, and then start a nice, easy side-to-side bound. Don't try to go too far to one side or the other at first, just make it small hops side to side. When you're doing that, nothing should change with your upper body mechanics or your rotational techniques, because of the fact that you're just making small incremental jumps. And if you want a challenge, you can start to widen the amount that you're jumping side to side. As I'd mentioned before, having a little bit extra weight in the rope will make it easier to have that consistent arc passing beneath your feet, so that you have a little bit more room for your feet to pass above the rope regardless of which side you're hopping to. Now the same thing front to back. Start with that basic jump and then gradually bound forward and back just a couple inches at first. If you're comfortable with that and you want to increase the challenge of quickness and balance, then you can increase the distance that you bound forward and backward. But you'll notice when I'm demonstrating those, again, nothing changes with the upper body technique. You're keeping that stable arm position, doing nice rotations with the wrists, and just keeping that constant cadence, regardless of whether or not you're bounding in place, side to side, or front and back. So I encourage you, if you are new to jumping and you have not tried new jump rope skills yet, this is one of the best ones to start with. It makes it more fun, it builds confidence, it keeps your workouts and your jumping fresh. Let me know what you think. Thanks again for watching. And again, check out our jump rope fitness community and our 30-day challenges.